Okay, so in my last video, it quit videoing on this last equation here. But so just let me go over that really quick with you. We have 8 hydrogen, 4 plus 4, which is 8 hydrogen, 4 chlorine, 4 chlorine, 1 silicon, 1 silicon. We have 4 oxygen and 4 times 1, which is 4 oxygen. So the coefficients for that are 1, 4, 1, 4. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you some equations to balance. We will write these on a separate sheet of paper and turn them into Google Classroom for me. If you have any problems with them, you can just email me, or you can send me a message in Google Classroom, or you can look for a Google Meet that I'm having, where I can help you and look at stuff with you. All right. So the first one that I'm going to give you Al plus Cl2 yields AlCl3. I would start with the chlorines. Remember, the smallest number both of those go into is 6. So you want to try to get them to 6 and then go back and balance your aluminum. The next one that I'm going to give you is Fe, which is iron, plus, and I'm just drawing the little blanks, oxygen yields iron oxide, which is Fe2O3. This is the chemical equation for rusting. So iron and oxygen make iron oxide. This is rust. Okay. Once again, I would start with the oxygens. You have 2 and 3. I'm going to balance those up first and then balance up the iron. The next one is phosphorus plus oxygen yields phosphorus oxide, which is P2O3. I would start with the oxygens, balance those up, and then balance up the phosphorus. Oh, sorry, that's P4. Okay. The next one I'm going to give you is nitrogen, which is N2, plus fluorine, which is F2, yields NF3. We would start with the fluorines. Then I'm going to give you sodium fluoride plus bromine, which is Br2, yields sodium bromide plus fluorine, which is F2. Okay. So you're just looking at bromines, sodiums, and fluorines on each side of the arrow. I'm going to give you one more. 6. Give you potassium plus chlorine, which is Cl2, yields potassium chloride. Okay, so you're going to go through and you're just counting numbers on each side of the arrow, balancing up every element that you have on each side. So chlorine, chlorine, aluminum, aluminum, iron, iron, oxygen, oxygen, phosphorus, phosphorus, oxygen, oxygen, nitrogen, nitrogen, fluorine, fluorine, sodium, sodium, fluorine, fluorine, bromine, bromine. And you have potassium, potassium, chlorine, chlorine. So I gave you hints as to which ones I would go with to try to balance up first in these. But once you get it balanced, then you just balance up the other stuff and you should be good to go. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Send me an email. You can type out like the formula, like Al2 plus Cl2, Al plus Cl2, arrow, AlCl3, and ask me a question about it so I know which one you're referencing. All right, and look for the Google Meet if you have any other questions. Thanks.